We have our time of flight function on or off, open or closed, and that's going to be what gives us such an incredible focus for this camera. Now, we're going to look at in just a little bit about the focus itself and play with it and show some of the features, some of the limitations of it, as a matter of fact. But just knowing that it has that time of flight function, that time of flight sensor that's built in, lets me know that this is going to be capable of doing some incredible focus. So we've got it on autofocus, the zoom to telefocus, telephoto, and wide angle zoom is pretty smooth. The one thing that we don't know, I don't find a way to figure out when I move from optical zoom into the digital zoom. If I telephoto slowly, it hangs there and then starts again, but I don't know which one of those is optical, which is digital. It's just hard to tell, and it's a really good picture. I'll be honest. I'm very impressed with its ability to keep a crisp picture all the way in through its optical and into its digital zoom into our main screen. And the idea that we have a zoom function on the top level of the main screen is really nice. I really appreciate that they gave us top level control of this. And then finally, we have the full screen here. So it's going to give me the ability to go full screen on the device that I'm on, that I'm controlling this with, which is nice. And so now I have a much bigger view of what we're talking about. Okay, so let's play with it a little bit in terms of focus. So right now the tree is what it's choosing to be in focus because it's in the center of the picture. If I pan this camera over a little bit, it's going to bring that smaller tree into focus. That's moving into the center of the picture. And so it chooses to go ahead and focus on that tree instead of the tree that's further away. So you can just see it racking back and forth. Does a really good job of finding the object that it chooses to focus on. Not that you can have any kind of control of that without panning. I can't tap on the screen and tell it to focus on something different. It'd be nice if I could, but as of this level of software, I can't. You can just find where that spot is, and it's obvious. It's going to go from one to the other just with that little bit of panning each time.